start right.
Okay, you give me that and I'll pass it to your... Oh, waiting for you, you know.
Pero le haces zoom,
You can have this.
Yeah.
Okay, join me over here. Face the audience and get everyone to clap with you. Alright then, join me on stage. Okay, join me on stage. Stand over here. Careful, no one saw that. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Anas.
Anas. Where are you from, Anas?
From Syria.
Anna, all the way from Syria, everyone! Okay, Anna, are you scared or nervous? Are you sure?
¿Por qué no pasaste tú?
Because you've been talking for a while and you're still holding on to my hand. Macho man, huh? Okay, now Anna, remember I asked for a big macho man? Yeah, I think you really fit the bill. But just to prove to everyone here, because some of them still don't look quite convinced, I want you to give us your biggest, most macho pose. On the count of 3. Okay? Can you do that? Well, you don't really have a choice. So count with me, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Macho! Why are you clapping for that? I asked for macho, you gave me Mickey Mouse. I'm just kidding. Actually, very good, better than what I can do. So you stand over here. Okay, now who did you come here with? Your friends, your family? Your friends or family? Your friends. Okay, you wave goodbye to them. It's the last time. Okay, now just stand straight with your feet apart. And whatever you do not squeeze Maggie or she'll squeeze you back. Okay, very good. Now, have a feel of it. Is she smooth and dry or wet and slimy? No, What? Just gonna get Maggie off you go. Alright, Anna. What did that feel like? Having a snake up alone on stage? It's very nice, okay. I can tell that you are warming up quite a bit to Maggie, but I'm afraid you cannot bring Maggie back home. So, what we have for you here is mini Maggie. Don't sit now. Okay.